Hello, my name is Leon Graham and I am a student at the University of Montpellier. I'm 21 years old and I'm British. So I've chosen to do my internship here in Greece because first of all it's my first time ever travelling abroad alone without my family. Secondly, I always wanted to visit this country. And thirdly, I always thought I lacked experience in laboratory work, so I came here to try and refine my laboratory work or techniques that I employed in the domain of science. Um, there was a few things that I thought were quite interesting while looking at, it's not the right word, but during my stay at the internship, there were a couple of things I thought were interesting. For example, we were able to do DNA extraction, PCR, and electrophoresis, which are all very current and very useful laboratory techniques to have. So, being here allowed me to refine my skills and polish them, and therefore uh, be more accustomed to these tools and techniques. Um, I am very happy with the way that everything was coordinated. As soon as I arrived in Greece, I was welcomed. The apartment was brilliant. The taxi driver who drove me from the airport to the apartment was very nice as well. Everyone was very welcoming and everyone was available um, nearly 24/7 for help. So so there weren't any issues with communication or logistics or any kind of those problems. Um, I did very much enjoy my stay in Thessaloniki and in Greece. Well, Thessaloniki, which is in Greece, I should say. Um, I do wish I may have stayed. I do wish I stayed longer, though, to be honest, because I only stayed here for 2 weeks. But luckily, with our schedule, we normally have 3-day weekends. So during those 3 days, you can go out and discover the town, the city, the people, the culture, the cuisine. It's a lovely place, and I would highly recommend it to anyone who's travelling abroad for the first time, especially if they're volunteering as well.